All right, so here we've got a 2-panel, 4-section arch shutter. Notice the louvers operate all the way up into the arch. It's kind of the way most shutters are being done now, instead of the separate sunburst up above. So this way, if you want to open to get to the window, you've still got access to get to the upper portion of the window. Tilts with the rest of the shutter. We've got a divider rail here to hide the window sash so you don't see the window locks when you open the door. And one thing with real big openings like this, we do a T-post in the center. And what that does is it gives you the whole panel hinged to a solid piece just to keep it more structurally stable. Painted to match the trim, 4.5-inch louver size with the hidden tilt. So your tilt bar is actually back here on the inside of the shutter. Makes for a little more open view when you do open the shutter, and kind of becoming the common, or probably our most sold shutter style nowadays. So, and that's about it.